every step you take, every twist of your knee, wears down the smooth, cushioning cartilage in your joints. By age 40, nearly half of adults show early signs of joint degeneration without even feeling it. This silent erosion leads to pain, stiffness, and eventually arthritis. But here's the astonishing truth. Your body has a built-in repair system waiting to be awakened. Cartilage doesn't just deteriorate, it's a living tissue that can regenerate if given the right tools. Unlike skin or bone, it doesn't heal easily, but it's not impossible. The key lies deep inside your bones, in a hidden reservoir of powerful cells. These are not ordinary cells, they're stem cells, the body's original architects. Imagine a microscopic construction crew, ready to rebuild damaged joints with precision and purpose. These stem cells are like nature's engineers, undifferentiated, versatile, and capable of becoming cartilage, bone, or even muscle. When injury strikes, they're mobilized to the site like a secret army. No surgery, no implants, just biology in motion. Scientists have discovered that when cartilage is injured, the body naturally sends stem cells from the bone marrow to the site. But the process is slow, inefficient, and often fails in older adults. That's where modern medicine steps in, not to replace the body, but to supercharge it. By harnessing these cells, we can accelerate healing like never before. In groundbreaking trials, doctors have extracted stem cells from patients' own bone marrow, concentrated them, and re-injected them directly into damaged joints. The results? Reduced pain, improved mobility, and even visible regrowth of cartilage on MRI scans. This isn't science fiction. It's happening today in clinics worldwide. Cartilage is unique. It lacks blood vessels, nerves, and lymphatic drainage, making healing nearly impossible. But stem cells bypass this limitation. They don't just sit there. They actively signal to surrounding tissues, calling for help and initiating repair. It's like a silent SOS that triggers a full-scale biological response. These stem cells don't just become cartilage, they also release growth factors that reduce inflammation and stimulate existing cells to repair themselves. Think of them as both builders and mediators. They calm the storm and lay the foundation for new tissue. This dual action makes them incredibly powerful in treating chronic joint conditions. What's truly mind-blowing is that these cells can sense their environment and adapt. In a damaged joint, they transform into cartilage-producing cells. In a broken bone, they become bone-forming cells. This adaptability is what makes them nature's ultimate multitaskers, programmed to heal exactly where needed. Researchers have found that even a small number of stem cells can trigger significant regeneration. In one study, just 100,000 cells led to measurable cartilage regrowth in patients with knee osteoarthritis. That's less than a teaspoon of cells, yet capable of reversing years of wear. The body's repair system is far more potent than we ever imagined. The best part? These are your own cells, no risk of rejection, no foreign materials. This autologous approach means no immune suppression, no long-term side effects. It's the ultimate personalized medicine, your body healing itself with a little scientific boost. While knee joints are the most studied, stem cell therapy is now being tested for hips, shoulders, and even spinal discs. In early trials, patients with severe hip arthritis regained mobility after a single injection. The cartilage wasn't just stabilized, it regrew. This could one day eliminate the need for joint replacements. Spinal disc degeneration, a leading cause of back pain, may also be treatable. Stem cells injected into damaged discs have shown the ability to restore disc height and reduce pain in clinical trials. Imagine reversing disc wear without surgery, just a needle and your body's own repair system. Even more revolutionary, scientists are now developing injectable scaffolds that guide stem cells to form structured cartilage. These aren't just random repairs, they're engineered tissues shaped like real joints. This could one day allow full joint reconstruction without invasive surgery. Some researchers are even exploring combining stem cells with gene editing to enhance their regenerative power. Imagine tweaking a few genes so these cells grow faster, resist inflammation, or survive longer in harsh joint environments. The future isn't just healing, it's upgrading. And the timeline? We're already seeing results in 6 to 12 months, but long-term studies suggest benefits lasting up to 5 years. With continued research, we may not just treat joint damage, we may prevent it entirely. The dream of lifelong mobility is no longer a fantasy. You might think only surgeons can fix joints, but your body has been doing it for millions of years. Cartilage regeneration isn't rare, it's a constant, quiet process. The problem isn't capability, it's speed and efficiency. As we age, stem cell activity declines. That's why younger people heal faster. But here's the surprise. Even in older adults, the potential remains. It just needs a boost. That's why therapies aren't about replacing cells, they're about reactivating the body's innate ability. It's not magic, it's biology optimized. Some people naturally have more stem cells in their marrow, genetic luck, but everyone has the same blueprint. The real key is not quantity, but quality and environment. A healthy lifestyle, proper nutrition, and reduced inflammation can dramatically improve stem cell function. Even sleep plays a role. During deep sleep, the body releases growth hormones that activate stem cells. So, getting enough rest isn't just for energy, it's for repair. Your body heals while you dream. And don't forget, you're not powerless. You can support your body's repair system through diet, movement, and avoiding joint stress. The future of joint health isn't just in labs, it's in your daily choices. Unlike controversial stem cell treatments from foreign clinics, this therapy uses your own cells, no ethical dilemmas, no risk of rejection. It's safe, legal, and already approved in over 50 countries. The real issue isn't ethics, it's access. But not everyone can afford it. The procedure costs $3,000 to $7,000, which is still out of reach for many. However, research is driving down costs. New methods allow harvesting and processing in under an hour, making it more affordable and scalable. And here's a game changer. Some clinics now offer payment plans and insurance coverage. As evidence grows, more insurers are recognizing this as a cost-effective alternative to joint replacement surgery. The math is simple. Prevent damage, save money. The future is bright, not just for the wealthy, but for everyone. With open research, global collaboration, and public awareness, this therapy could become as common as a flu shot. The body's healing power shouldn't be a luxury. Imagine a world where joint pain is no longer a life sentence, where aging doesn't mean stiffness and suffering, where your body's own cells rebuild what time and where have damaged. That world is closer than you think. This isn't just about joints. It's about redefining what the human body can do. Every cell, every tissue, holds the potential to regenerate. Cartilage is just the beginning. The same principles could one day heal heart tissue, reverse nerve damage, or even slow aging. The real miracle isn't the science, it's the fact that we're already equipped with this power. We don't need alien technology. We don't need clones. We just need to understand and support our own biology. So the next time you feel joint stiffness, don't just think pain, think potential. Your body is already repairing itself, sometimes slowly, sometimes invisibly. But with the right support, that repair can accelerate. You're not broken, you're evolving. The future of medicine isn't in machines or drugs. It's in understanding and empowering the body's innate intelligence. Stem cells aren't a miracle, they're a reminder. We are born with the tools to heal ourselves. So go ahead, move with purpose, rest with intention, nourish your body, because deep down, your cells are waiting to rebuild. And one day, your joints may not just survive aging, they may thrive.